If you want to become fluent in any language, this is exactly what you need to do. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate basic beginner sentences in the language you want to learn, using the verbs you see on the screen right now. These are the most commonly used verbs in everyday life, so learning them early just makes sense. Then use news websites to read very simple articles and see how these verbs are used in real situations. You should also watch kids' shows with subtitles. They're simple, repetitive, and incredibly effective for learning. While you're doing other things, listen to the radio using the Radio Garden Live app just to get used to the pronunciation. And do not worry about understanding everything. First, you get used to the sound. Understanding comes later. Once this feels easy, start watching videos from native teachers. They use more vocabulary, speak a little slower, and explain things clearly. Listen to their podcasts too. When that becomes easy as well, start watching native speakers talking about topics you actually like. At the same time, install the apps HelloTalk and Tandem to talk with native speakers. This whole process, always write down anything you don't know, but that is actually useful throughout, and make it active. Do roleplay, speak out loud, or talk directly with native speakers on HelloTalk and Tandem. Do this every single day, multiple times a day, and you will become fluent. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe below, leave a like if this helped you, and comment which language you're going to learn. And seriously, don't just watch the video, do it. See you in the next video.